Okay, this is how to get your website up and running or started. If you go over to the project page, down to lesson 2, go into the CSS menu maker. Okay, the first thing is to choose one of these menus. Make sure that it has a downloadable source file. If it does not, you'll have to choose another one. So once you've found one you like, go ahead, download it. It'll be a zip file, and then if you double click, you will find, here we are, that it unzips, and you will have a folder with some images, or an image folder, and you might have, or you should have an index.html file, and you may have 1, 2 or 3 more files in there. The very first thing you need to do is to right click your index.html with Dreamweaver, and that will give you your navigation. To see what it looks like in a browser, you've got this preview in the browser, and you can choose which browser it is you want. Okay, so you can change that over there. If you go to the code, so you could either change it in here and change the name of the links over here, or you can go to code and you can change them down over here. Once you've done that, you've got the styles, which is the color and the font. If you want to make any small changes, for example font size or font family or color, you can do so over here. Okay, the next step, once you've done that, is to go back to the class site, and you can choose, I would choose this layout, CSS page layout, and there's some example layouts in there. Okay, I'm just going to view this sample. Okay, so what's going to happen is going to put my layout into 3 boxes, and I can obviously change the content, color, etc. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this one over here. Okay, so in Dreamweaver, I'm going to go, so I can go design or code, I'm going to go file, new, and I'm going to make a new CSS file, and I'm just going to go ahead, okay, and I can paste the style I had earlier. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and call this one layout, so file, save as. Okay, it's in the same folder as the other stuff. Layout, press save. In order for me to link it to this document, okay, this styles one is already linked, and the way I can see that is to go into the code and check, alright, it's been linked over here. So I could either just go ahead, copy that, paste it, but I'm going to change. Okay, so link the style sheet, and I need to give it the name of the style sheet. My new sheet is called layout.css. Okay, and I just go ahead and save that. There is a slightly easier way to do it. You can go over here, and again I'm in design view. You can go onto the attached style sheet, and you can browse for it. Okay, and once you've found it, you simply just press OK and it'll link. Okay, so if I preview that, okay, I can change that on there, and I've then got my other style sheet also linked. Okay, so I can then start making changes to that.